So friends, let's get started with today's video. So today's video, as I said earlier, today's video gonna be on HTML attribute. So basically, what are HTML attributes? HTML attributes, the function of HTML attribute is to provide additional information about an element. Means it's to provide an additional information about any HTML element. It can be in any HTML element that is having a start and an end tag. So all HTML elements can have attributes. As I said, attributes provide additional information about an element. I said this too, and this is the last line. This is important. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. So any attribute in HTML should always be specified in the start tag. So let's come to an example. This is the href attribute. Now what do you mean by href? Href stands for hypertext reference. H for hypertext and ref for reference. Now href attribute. So this attribute helps to link with with web pages. Means if you create a web page, you can link that web page with another web page you have created. So so this is an example. Before you write an element, you put this attribute, and this attribute is in the starting tag. So let me show you in a practical way, in a practical manner. So for showing this, I'll copy this link, copy it. I want to open in my notepad. This was my early notepad, so I'm gonna open in my notepad. So here I'm gonna paste that. So I paste this is the link, this is all. Now this is gonna help me to attach with a web page. Save this and now see the result. If I open this HTML, where is that? Here it is. Now this file, if I open this file, see, this is a link, showing this is a link. Now you click on the links, now the link comes. Oh, this is the link of my channel. I got the link of my channel. So this was the link of my channel. So that linked to web pages. It's very simple to link. Let me take this to desktop. Okay. Let's go to the next one. The next is the Src attribute. Now what this attribute does. This attribute basically helps you to input image in a web page. Means it helps to input an image. So this attribute is used to put image in a web page. Let me show you a practical banner. Copy this syntax, and you come over here, paste it. Now what you have to do is you have to just save an image in your folder. For example, if I first to make this, you make a folder. No, you can say I made a folder, and in this folder my image is here, and the image name. Suppose if I take this image, if I have to put this image in the if I have to put this image in my web page, then I have to just copy the name. If you just copy the name, you're gonna get this. What's the name? 001 JPG. Now just come in the program and write this is 001 JPG. Now this is the program. Now this is the name of the picture. Save it and you get the picture. I've saved it. Now let's see what about the picture. Oh, this was my picture in my web page. Oh, it's good. Now you have to remember one thing. You have to take a measure of the width and the height. Now what about width and height? The width and the height attribute. This is same. I'm telling you, let me give an example. Now for giving width and height, just write in place. Just type it. Width equal to let it be 200 and height equal to 100. So that should be in a quotation, that both should be quotation, close this. Now save this. Now let's see what happens. Now see at the size came. This is the 100 width and the height is 100 and the width is 200. Now this is a size scheme. This is so simple to import an image in a web page. It's very simple. So the next topic we're coming is to the alt attribute. So what is an alt attribute? The alt attribute specifies an alternative text to be used if an image cannot be displayed. So if an image cannot be displayed, the alt attribute is used so that it can create an alternative text. Did you understand? Yeah, an alternative text. This was all about alt attribute. Now next we are coming to style attribute. Now the style attribute is very cool. The style attribute is used to specify styling the element like color, font, size, etc. Means by the style attribute you can change the color of any, you can put color, you can do the font size, you can make the size change. Now by the style attribute I am going to change a paragraph. So this is an example. So let's take this example. No need of taking this example. Open Notepad. And if I take an example over here, see the syntax. The syntax was P A Y L E. The syntax was style. Now after style you put equal to and then put quotation and then put quotation and write the color name. What color? Give the quotation and give COLOR color, which is gonna be in hyphen. Let me take the color green. The color green. Close the quotation and let's save this file. But before doing that, never forget to do this mistake. This can be a mistake. You have to delete this because it's over here already. Now this is gonna be yeah, everything is okay, right? This paragraph, yeah, everything is okay. Now let's save this. Save this and you see the what is this? You see, where is that? Yeah, see the color changing. Hello friends, this is my first video. So the color changed and it became green. So this was all about the style attribute. The next point we're coming, we suggest the code attribute values. Now if you cube the attribute values, it's not necessary. I'll leave all this. Come in the chapter summary. Let's make a chapter summary. So what we have learned, all HTML elements can have attributes. First point. The HRDF attribute provides the additional information for lengths. Yeah. The width and the height attribute provides the size information of images. And the alt attribute provides the text for the screen readers. Yeah. What is this? This is a wrong attribute actually. So this was all about attributes in HTML. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of our channel.